Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing another masculine box. Look at me. I can't believe I'm like really, but I really wanted to get this, do this box because this stamp set is on the retiring list, and I really wanted to use it again for another masculine project. So this is Dapper Denim, which is one of our in colors that are also retiring. Almost everything on here is retiring, I think, except for the linen thread. So these little buttons and even chocolate chip is retiring. We are doing a new color revamp. Some of you may have already heard about it. I'm going to be doing a video later this week to show you all the new colors that are coming. And when they do revamps, that means they're going to take out a bunch of our existing colors, and I think it's 10 that they're changing out. But we do have some returning colors that are from previous collections, which is one of my very favorite, is Coastal Cabana. So for those of you Coastal Cabana lovers, it's coming back. I'm super excited about it. But I'm going to share a lot of the details, and I'm going to show you, go through my catalog and show you the retiring products, and show you some of the new colors that are coming in. But we're going to get on with the box this time, and it is a slider box, so it slides like this, and I really love these framelits, and I'm so sad that those framelits are going. I've made a lot of different variations on boxes and stuff. You can go back, and I'll probably, link another box that I've used this framelit in this video. So let's get started, and I love the Dapper Denim also. That's one of my favorite of those in colors. Dapper Denim and Emerald Envy and Flirty Flamingo were my three favorite. So okay, let's get started with this. Alright, so for the box you are going to need one piece, and this one is the bottom, I believe. It is 4 5/8 by 5. So that is the bottom of the box. The top is 3 1/8 by 5 3/4. So this isn't really the top. This is the piece that goes around the side, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then we are, like I said, using the framelits. You need a piece that is big enough for the largest, lots of label framelits, and then this one is the third from the largest. So there's one in between this one and this one. So we're going to cut a chocolate chip out of that one, and I love chocolate chip too, but we are getting some really amazing colors. Okay, so let me grab the Big Shot, and we'll run those pieces through and get them all ready to go. So I'm using my magnetic platform for this part, and we are going to cut oops, need to put a plate down, and these plates are starting to warp. I need to get some new ones again. See how quick that I go through them. And then let me cut this piece off here, and we'll run them both through at the same time. So the big one is the one that we're using for the top, and the smaller one is a piece we're matting with. So here's our large one, which we are going to emboss. And here's our chocolate chip. So I need to change my plates. So I'm going to use the Big Shot platform for this because the magnetic is too tall for this part. So I'm using this lined embossing folder, and I can't remember the exact name, but I'll put it in the video. And I'm lining it up long ways, put another plate, and we're going to emboss that. just like so. All right, we'll move these out of the way. And we are going to be ready to score our pieces here. So for the bottom of the box, let's just go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to just do it 1 inch all the way around. That is easy enough. And we're going to cross our fingers that it fits, because I've done it twice and one time it fit and one time it didn't, so I don't know why. Okay, so then this part is the side, and we're going to score this at 1/2, 1.5, 4 1/4, and 5 1/4. And that's it for the scoring. Alright, so let's sharpen all these score marks, and we will put this part. We're going to use some fast fuse is going away, and that's probably not a surprise to anybody, but I love it because it's great for doing videos and it's very strong. So I'll probably be using Terra tape more, or my Tombow. So we're going to line this up to the edge here and attach that, and then we're going to do the same with this side. So I think I got that right. And so that's what it's going to look like. So now for the bottom of the box, the part that slides in and out, we are going to cut and then cut a little piece out like I always do. I'm going to do it on both sides here. And then once again, I'm going to put it on these corners, the fast fuse. Again, use Terra tape or a strong double-sided adhesive. And then we're going to just line it up. And that's the inside of our box. So hopefully it will fit. It should fit pretty good. Yep, it fits. Yay. So another way that you can do this to make it easier is when you are putting the box together, put your piece in here and then adhere this to the bottom. And this, you can kind of tug it. And that's how I found it was a little bit easier, and I should have showed you that in this video. I'm sorry, but it worked just fine. Alright, so now this piece here, we are going to mat it to the top. And then I am using a piece of the Designer Series paper. So it is the True Gentleman Designer Series paper that I used in my last masculine, and this is 1 inch by 4 inch. I'm going to flag the ends. I thought I was going to have to cut another piece. Sometimes it's sitting right in front of me. Okay. We're going to adhere this down. Just like that. This time I'm going to use Very Vanilla. I used the Whisper White, and then I realized that this is Very Vanilla in here, so I'm going to use the Very Vanilla this time to stamp. And I am using a different stamp out of there. This is the stamp set Truly Tailored, and this is also on the retired list, so if you really like it, grab it while you can. And so I used the Lookin' Sharp last time, but I'm going to use this You're a Fox. I thought that'd be really cute. That's a cute one for your husband, right? and some chocolate chip. Isn't that cute? The little fox is adorable on here. Then I am going to use my coordinating punch. You can get this as a bundle. And we are keeping the punch. The punch is staying, and I'll write the name of the punch before. It's, I can't remember, Truly Tailored Punch or something like that. I'll write it in the video. My mind is not hearing the... Okay, so this one, we're just going to go ahead and cut in half. Put adhesive on this one and that one. And then we're going to line it up like we did on the last box that I did. We did the same technique. I didn't do a very good job of lining that up, so I'm going to cut this part right here. It's best to try to line up your ends instead of the top and bottom. Alright, and then I'm going to grab some dimensionals here. We're going to put a couple on the back. And we'll put it on the top of the box. And then I'm going to use these True Gentleman buttons, and this coordinates with all the paper and this stamp set. And I love these. They're so cute. I love the buttons. And I'm going to use a glue dot. To put the button on here. Press it too hard. I'm going to scrunch my box, and then I'm going to use some linen thread, and I'm going to make a bow. Actually going to make a double bow. And I know it's a man's box, and it has a bow, but that's okay because it's linen thread and it is a masculine bow. I'm going to make it smaller though. So it fits right on top of that button. This is just the cheater's way of not having to thread it through the button. I missed it. There we go. Set it right on top of your button. Okay, and that's it. Really quick and easy. There's nothing hard about it. I like that bow because it's a little bit smaller. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me a whole bunch. And hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications each time I upload a video. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. And don't forget the retiring list. Check it out on my blog also, because so much is going away, and if you really want something, you need to get it before it's gone. Have a blessed day, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.